Okay, so I gotta be honest, I've already unboxed this monitor because I was so excited when it finally arrived, and I've used it for a couple of days, and I can truly say I am really happy with my purchase. Getting straight into it, this is what the box looks like. You can press pause any part of the video if you want to have a closer look. This is the back. This is the left side. The right side has personal details, the address and everything, so I won't show that part. And this is the top. Opening the box, you'll see 4 cables, a USB 3.0 A to B cable, the display port cable, the HDMI cable, and finally the power cable. You also get a piece of paper with simple instructions and diagrams on how to set the monitor up. You'll find the foot of the stand, the other part of the stand, and finally the monitor itself. So to assemble, you just have to grab the foot of the stand, connect it with the other part, twist the screw at the bottom like so until it's tight. Then you make sure the 2 prongs or the hooks line up with the monitor, and you'll hear a click to let you know it's secure. And then bam, it's done. I actually ordered this back in the beginning of August and had to wait for about 2 months for this monitor to arrive because so many people ordered it, as the price was amazingly good. I got it for around 500 Australian dollars, 510 Australian dollars, as soon as it was released from the Dell Australian website. So when I saw the price of this Dell monitor, I just had to buy it. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching my first ever YouTube video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.